All right, we told you Friday about how mortgage rates have fallen to a 3-year low. But what does that really mean for those of you out there looking to buy a home or maybe thinking about refinancing? CBS News Money Watch reporter Megan Cerullo is here with me to discuss that and more. Good morning, Megan. Great to have you here. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Buying a home is so far out of reach for so many people. Help us understand why that is and what this rate drop might mean for those folks.
It's a supply and demand issue, and the problem is that there are not enough available homes for sale. President Trump has recently tried to tackle the housing affordability issue, announcing 2 proposals, one of which is he directed the federal government to buy $200 billion worth of mortgage bonds. And we have already seen mortgage rates come down, which has sparked more interest among aspiring home buyers in entering the market. And we've also seen an uptick in refinancing activity.
Well, let's talk more about that, because I remember during the pandemic, mortgage rates really came down, and so many people either purchased a home or refinanced that they don't want to move on until the rates get any better. Now that rates have dropped somewhat, might it be a wise decision for some to explore refinancing?
It could be. Rates are at around 6%. This time last year, they were at around 7%. And experts do sometimes point to that 1 percentage point drop as a rule of thumb as a threshold for when it could make sense to refinance. There are a few things to take into consideration, though. For example, refinancing does have upfront costs and fees associated with it. So you're going to have to do a little bit of math and make sure that you're going to get to that break-even point within a reasonable amount of time. If your goal is to lower your monthly interest payments, then refinancing could make sense. If you're worried that, well, hey, our mortgage rate's going to drop even further, that doesn't necessarily mean you should wait. No one has a crystal ball, and you can also refinance again further down the line.
That's true. So crunch the numbers, speak with an expert if you can, and add it all up to see if it makes sense for you. Megan,
That's
thank
right.
you very much.
Thanks,
for the
Errol.
good news.